Okay, you can start talking now.
Okay, we are here in Titan Town. What's it?
Mayflower.
Mayflower. What he said. And
There's no more food on the table, dude. Why do we need to take a picture of the table?
you said this was on video.
I know it is. But why are we taking pictures of nothing?
What? Huh? Not right now. We're making video. Hold up. You killed it. Are you still going?
Yeah. See, that's our aunt. She's really, really big. Yeah.
Once he stands up.
Here's my uncle and my aunt.
Yes.
And she doesn't realize that this is going on YouTube. And I don't think I'm able to put that on YouTube. Bototoy daw, bototoy. Okay, that's my dad, my mom, and my uncle. This is so great. This is gonna go on YouTube and we're gonna be like so famous. Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know that?
No, I did not.
Okay then, now you do. So do you want to say hi to your friends?
That's good enough.
You're not even gonna say their names.
Oh, hi, Aaron,
Good lord, you don't even know your names. That's kind of sad. What kind of friend are you? You don't even know your friend's name.
Jose, Albert, Ryan, and then there's my girlfriend Serena, and then there's Amber, and I guess that's it.
Oh, I guess that's it. All right. And what school do you go to?
Edison.
All right. Want to say peace out to everybody on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay.
Peace out.